Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk Zety resume template and resume maker platform. You should use this service or not, and is this really legit platform or it's just another waste of money platform? Okay, so basically, as you know, Zety is a very popular platform to build your resume by providing, you can select, they will provide you lots of template and you can choose your template and you can make your template very easily within 5 minutes. Okay, basically they have lots of features, but there are also some, you can select, cons of this platform. The first major problem of this platform, the subscription model. And when you try to create your account, when you try to build your resume, you need to pay some kind of amount for first 14 periods. Okay, first 14 days of period. Okay, so you can see over there, if you forget to cancel your subscription after 14 days, then you have to pay lots of fees in the form of subscription, because their total model is based on subscription. If you don't know this thing, you need to keep this thing in your mind. Without paying fees, you are not able to create any template, any resume on this platform. This is the first thing you need to keep in your mind. Okay, and if we talk about, is this platform legit or it's just another waste of money, you can say, like a platform. So basically, if you need lots of resumes, if your requirement of resumes is very frequent, then this is a really 100% legit platform, because this platform is approx like 26 years from now, and they are very good in their services and they have provided their customer support. Each and everything is good. Okay, but the only problem is subscription, because when you visit on Trustpilot profile, they have 12,000 reviews and only 14% is complaining like subscription problem. Okay, as maybe they don't know, like they are using the services after they need to pay some amount, and by mistake they have created their account, and that's why the platform is taking money from their account. Okay, so basically their working model is also based on you can say, like subscription, because as you know, as you can see, like each and every reply from Zety, they reply their customers, like their working model is totally based on subscription. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. If you have any other queries, you can also make a comment. If you have any experience with this platform, you can also make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and if this information is helpful, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.